Hey everyone, this is Russ with Tribal Whips, and I got a new video for you as part of our quick video series. And today I'm just going to share with you our new 15-foot Aurora wire extension slash installation kits. And they come with the 3 color-coded wires that you'll need in 15-foot lengths each, and also one of our new custom logo Tribal Whips toggle switches, which are backlit in red, blue, green, and orange. The wire becomes handy when you want to relocate your animator, like conceal it under your dash or under the seat. And you have the whips in the back and you have the animator up front, and it allows you to, yellow wire for yellow wire, green wire, and black wire, so on and so forth, so that you don't have connection errors when you do the installation. The toggle switch is very useful because it's very important that you disconnect power between your power source, which is most likely your battery, and the animator itself. And the reason for that is that even though on your app or the remote control, depending on which one you choose for animators, if you select the on-off, it will turn the whips off. Well, in appearance, it turns them off. They'll be black. But the animator itself will still continue to draw about 70 milliamps. And the reason for that is that the animator has to have a small amount of power going to it to wait for your instruction to tell it to turn on and do other things. If there was no power going to it, if you could turn it off physically with an app or with the remote control, it would never wake up when you told it to do something. So there's always power going to a device like that. That includes home electronics such as stereos and so forth. So the kit's good, it's cool, it works for you. Many people buy them because they understand the advantages of it and how simple it makes installations. If you have any questions, feel free to call us, 702-943. You can also reach us by email, customerservice@tribalwhips.com. And of course, you can visit our website at tribalwhips.com, and you can purchase them directly online or contact us for more information, whatever works for you. So, hey, thanks for watching today. As always, I appreciate it, and have a great day, everyone.